Hey everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm so excited because we're going to unbox the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Halloween Mystery Deluxe Box. So many words. So if you were here yesterday, you would have seen that I unboxed my premium box, and then this one showed up today, the Deluxe. So a little bit of background on the box. It retailed for $75 and it promises a $186 value. It says it contains 8 items, and one of the items is going to be an exclusive mystery Halloween item. I haven't watched any reviews for this, just like I didn't for my last one either, so I don't know if the mystery item is the same that was in my premium box. In my premium box, it was a black liquid lipstick with orange glitter. So I'm curious to see if it's the same thing in all of these or if it's something else. Anyway, enough talking, let's open it up. Woo! Oh, I got a medium. I meant to get a small. All right, first up, we've got a shirt. Oh my God, I can tell it's so cute already. How freaking cute is this? It says can't relate, and it's got his little snap, but it's a skeleton hand with orange nail polish. Can you see it? Hopefully you can see it. So cute. I love it. It's gonna be huge on me. Oh, that's really cute actually. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, so it's a Skin Frost, and this is a mystery Halloween item. The shade is called Mystery Frost. I am intrigued. Oh, what the fuck? What in the world is this? It's like he just took a bunch of different like leftover highlighters and then just... All right, let's swatch it. I gotta swatch it. Huh. Okay, I mean, it's pretty. It's too deep for me, which is fine. Very interesting. All right, and then we have a Liquid Frost. The shade is Goddess. I'm not gonna swatch this only because, again, I know it's gonna be too deep for me. I don't wanna open it. You guys can kind of see the color there. It's like a gold, which would be beautiful, but again, not on my skin tone, so that's a bummer, but at least it's inclusive for other people. We've got a lip ammunition. This is the shade Candy Freeze. Whoa. Not my color. It's a very glittery pink lip. Yeah, cute, but not for me. I'm literally only wearing this lip for this video. I'm a nude lip kind of girl. All right, what is this? Oh, Soft Serve. I feel like I have this shade. This is a velour liquid lipstick in the shade Soft Serve. Yep, I've already got this one actually. It's really pretty. It's a nice like nude pink. But yeah, I don't need to. The gloss. I actually don't own any glosses from him. The shade is Crystal Kiss. Oops. Crystal Kiss. It just looks like a clear gloss with some sparkle. Really pretty. They smell good too. Yeah, really pretty. Okay, I'll keep this. So far, I'll keep this in the shirt. Is this a mini breaker again? A mini breaker came in my last box, yeah. So there's a mini breaker in this box as well, which is cool that he actually is putting palettes, even if it's his smallest palettes in here, because in the past, he's gotten a lot of hate for not putting palettes in his mystery bundles. So another mini breaker palette. Maybe I'll put this one in a giveaway. I need to do another giveaway. It's been a minute, so maybe I'll put a few of these things in a giveaway. I don't know yet. I'll figure it out, but still very nice to have a palette in the box. Ooh, last but not least, I'm guessing this is gonna be a mirror. Is it a Halloween mirror? It has to be, right? Oh, cool. This is awesome. I'm really glad to have a mirror. I got one of his like popsicle ones, and my kid accidentally dropped it and it broke everywhere. So hey, now I've got another mirror. And it's spooky ooky. All right, so what did I get for $75? I got a mirror, excited about this. We'll just go with the items I'm keeping. I got a gloss, which I like, I will wear this. Here, let's put a little on now, why not? Oh. Yeah, it definitely has like a pink duochrome. Pretty. Keeping the Can't Relate shirt, super cute. We got a mini breaker palette. A velour liquid lipstick in soft serve, lip ammo, and candy freeze. We've got this mystery frost highlighter, and then a liquid frost in the shade Goddess. So, am I happy I paid $75? No. Only because I can't, like could, I say can't. These two are too deep for me, and then I already have this one, and then this isn't for me. So, out of the 8 items, yeah, I'm keeping 3 because I'm also not gonna keep this. So, $75 for 3 things? No, but that's what you get for ordering a mystery box. Still, I think it's a good value, and if you can use the items that like come in it, good for you. All right, let's put this on real quick. All right, I don't really know what's in frame, and I'm not wearing a bra because I usually don't when I film, but super cute shirt, just really big, but that's okay. How do you feel about mystery boxes as a whole? Are you into them? Do you love like the thrill of the mystery, or are you more like me where you like to know what you're getting ahead of time? Because I personally don't like mysteries. I just did this because I have impulse problems. Anyway, that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.